get it open. It's broke. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below how your day is going. Mine's doing great because if you read from my title, I finally got the medium size box. I forget what it's called. I'm not sure. This is the medium size one. This is the Jeffree Star Halloween mystery box. If you want to see what I got in this box, then just keep on watching. All right, I am definitely so excited. I just got this today. Today is Monday. Hopefully I can get it up the same day. And I know I'm one of the last people to unbox it, but I do live in New Jersey. I don't know if that's the reason why it took so long. I did cut this, but I didn't cut the whole thing or the sides. I'm gonna cut this puppy open. All right, so let's open her up and see what we got. All right, so when you open it up, that's what it looks like. I do know with the medium and the large one, you got to pick the sizes, you know, so you get some kind of like shirt. Oh, okay, I did. I got a shirt. So this is the first thing. I got the size large. So hopefully it won't be too big. Let's cut it open and see what it looks like. I have not tried any of his merch, so I'm definitely excited. It's very soft, but let's see. It looks like it's definitely going to be a little big, but that's all right. I like them when I'm at home and I wear t-shirts and comfy. I like them big, but that's what it looks like. Can't relate. So I'm definitely excited. If it's way too big, then I'll just wear it to sleep in. You know what? I'm going to go try it on, and then I'll come right back with it on. All right, I'm back, and it does fit. It's a little like long, but I'm only 5'3", so a lot of shirts are usually long, but it fits pretty good here. It's just a little too big, but that's fine. I'd rather have it a little bit too big than too tight, so I like that so far. All right, the next thing we got, I know I was going to get, so every box got this. So I did take mine out to be prepared. I'm going to have a giveaway today. So this will go to one of you guys, but this is what the mini draw breaker palette looks like. Then it does come with the mirror, and these are the colors. And I love this shade right here. Let's see. So I'll swatch this so you can see what they look like. All right, so this is what it looks like. I always do that with the swatches instead of bringing it over, but it is just gorgeous, guys. I really like this. I don't have the bigger one, so I don't know how that is, but this one I can definitely tell you I really like it. So far, this will go to one of you guys. All right, the next thing, oh, there's something in there, is the gloss. Now, I have not tried any of his lip gloss formula, so I'm definitely excited. This is in the shade Dirty Royalty. Oh, Lord, I hope it's not, yeah, it's purple. Okay. Now, that packaging is gorgeous. Now, if this was like a liquid lip, I wouldn't wear this, but I love gloss and I could put this over something. So let me swatch it. Oh, that's so pretty. And it's sheer, which I like. I don't mind. Let's see if you can. Let's see. Oh, yeah, I do like it. Like I said, it is sheer, and that's why I'm keeping it, because I heard his lip glosses were sheer. But this packaging is gorgeous. So pretty. All right, so we got a gloss. All right, the next thing we got is this liquid frost, and this is in the shade Heatwave. Now, I have Frozen Peach, I think, so this shade will be too dark, so this will be in a giveaway too. I don't want to break the box, but it is like a bronze color. So this will be in today's giveaway as well. The next thing we got is this Skin Frost, which I'm definitely excited. This was exclusively to the medium size box. It says Mystery Frost, if you guys can see. So I'm definitely excited. Definitely. I love his Skin Frosts. All right, so it comes in, oh God, I hope it's not broke. I see powder. It comes in his original packaging. Then on the back. All right, let's see. Wish me luck. Can't get it open. It's broke. Okay, so I'm not going to hold it down, but I'll try to zoom it in. Oh man, let's see if I could do a little swatch, so at least you guys know what the color would be. I don't know. Looks like there's like black in here, I think. All right, so there we go. Let's do a little swatch. Oh man. Oh, that would be pretty right there. I don't know what you can see with this light, but it's really pretty. I do like his skin frost. Oh, that sucks. So I'm going to email, let me just put it down, customer service and see what they say. All right, so we have 3 more things. Okay, it's powder all over the box. This is a liquid lipstick in Bronze Blood. Right there. All right, and that's the color. I think this color here is the summer collection, I believe. So I love the doe foot applicator because it fits right into your lips. So let's do a shade right there. Oh, that's a pretty color. Right there. Really pretty. Let's see if it's buildable. Yeah. Looks like metallic. But that's pretty. I would put that, I would use that as a topper, like just in the center. All right, I'm definitely excited for this. Then looks like we have like a bullet lipstick in the shade Jawbreaker. And I know I won't wear this shade. I was saying before that I think some people can really pull off colors. I can go bold with the eyes, but not with the lips. And I wish I could. So let me just show you this shade. So this will be in today's giveaway as well. It's a beautiful color. It looks like it has like glitter in it. That is gorgeous. I just wish I was more daring. All right, so this will be in today's giveaway. So put that back. So far we have 3 items that are in today's giveaway. And last but not least, I believe both size boxes, the medium and the large, got a mirror. So let's cut this puppy open and see. I think everybody got the same mirror. And then once I open this, we'll go over the rules for the giveaway. All right, can't get this thing open. I don't have any of these mirrors, and it's packaged so nice. Yes. Oh, this is nice. So this is what it looks like, and you can really see yourself good in this. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. So really, really nice. And it has some little weight to it. I mean, it's light, but it's a nice mirror. So let's recap what we got. The box was $75. I think it was like $9 shipping and tax. I think altogether I paid like $89. So we got the mirror. We got, let me not tilt that. We got a lip, not a lip frost. What is this called? Skin frost. We got a liquid frost, which will be in today's giveaway. I have a lipstick in Bronze Blood. We have ammunition in Jawbreaker, which will be in today's giveaway. We have the mini Jawbreaker, which is right here. This was in the summer collection. That will be in today's giveaway. Got a lip gloss, which I think is really pretty. And I got this shirt. How can I not forget this shirt? I think this shirt is really, really pretty. So that's everything. Let me know what you think of the mystery boxes. I did see a post that he's going to have mystery boxes next month for Black Friday. So that is definitely excited. So if you were not able to get one of these boxes, be prepared for next month. So the giveaway rules. My giveaways are always very easy. You just have to be subscribed because I enjoy giving back to you guys. You have to rate the video, so either by liking it or disliking it. I know a lot of people ask me, what does rating mean? And that's just either like it or dislike it. I prefer that you like it, but if you don't like it, dislike it, and then I know not to do these mystery boxes. You have to comment because I go by a comment picker. So you can comment as many times as you want, 10, 50, 100. I don't care. The more times that you comment, the better you have chances on winning. But you do have to comment. That way the comment picker can get one of your comments. And I think that, oh, and watch this video in full, because the longer that you watch this video, the better it does help me with shipping. My giveaways are always open up international. Any giveaway that I have, it's always open up international. And that's it, guys. It's really easy. And don't forget to let me know how your day is. I love hearing about you guys because I'm nosy. That's everything, guys. I love you guys so much. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.